Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. If you are really interested in getting 7 plus band scores in IELTS writing, then this video definitely is going to help you in scoring these kinds of band scores. But how? So many people, in fact, IELTS test takers. So these are the IELTS test takers, not people. You are not common people. You are very special to us. Okay. So nowadays, people move to another place while living in their own place for several years. Why this is happening? Is it a positive or negative? Okay. First of all, whenever you are getting question statement, I always read it 4 times, not 2 or once. So many students, what will they do? Yes, I know what is the topic. They will immediately start writing full essay. No, please devote time to understand the main topic and planning its points before actual writing. Please plan your points also. Okay. So in simple steps, in less time, I will be explaining you how you can write this answer. So this is two-part question. You can say why this is happening, means reasons for this, what's going around. We will talk about 1 or 2 reasons, and we have to tell whether it is a positive or negative development. Okay, so or you can say positive or negative impact or effect, whatever you can say. Okay, so you need to decide, you need to give your opinion about whether it is positive or negative. Got it? So now let's read the question statement again. Nowadays, people move to another place while living in their own place for several years. So important thing here is, in many places or countries, less job opportunities is there. If job opportunities are there, less remuneration or salaries are there. So many reasons can be there. So immediately just read it 4 times, the question statement, and try to understand the type of question, and then you just start brainstorming it. Okay, within first 5 minutes, please brainstorm the points, brainstorm the question statement, the main topic and its subtopic. Okay, so within less time, definitely I will tell you how you can write the full essay. So this is all planning we have analyzed. So you can write it, you can write the you can watch my old videos where I am writing it on pen paper. So how I used to plan the essays within first 5 minutes. Okay, so you can watch those videos. In fact, so next video I will definitely write it on the screen along with the question, that planning and all. So the reasons it had come into my mind, these 2-3 reasons. So I will think about example also in advance, because nowadays in pen paper exam you can't erase, you can't cut the full sentence, so that will look bad. In fact, planning is more important nowadays as in earlier days. Okay, you will get black pen and you can't erase, you can't cut. You can cut it, but it will look bad. Okay, so writing should be legible, writing should be beautiful, you can say this. Okay, so is it negative or positive? People are moving from their own countries or places to get jobs and all. So I think overall negative thing is also there. I am thinking, I am planning now. So negative thing is also there. They have to leave their native places. They have to leave their parents also, childhood friends also, relative also, to get good job and all. Overall, if you look at the person's overall development, yes, it is a positive. I will say it is a positive, but of course with positive, negatives are also there. So overall I will say it has more advantages than disadvantages, that I have decided. So what is positive? Definitely overall development of a person can be done. Even family development will be there, family growth will be there, financially and socially also. Okay, and definitely their career growth will be there, family development will be there, and indirectly country will get benefit when these people, when these migrant people will send money to their native, their parent country will get dollars or money in that way. And how it is negative, so emotion and homesickness also be there. So many things you can write it in this essay. So coming to this, how to write introduction. So of course there are many rules for writing task 1. Let me clear it to you. First of all, try to write minimum 250 words, but it doesn't mean you will be writing 500 words, 400 words. No, try to write your essay within 300 or 350 words, okay, not more than that. So how we can do it, definitely I am explaining you. So just think it. Now I am going to write a story about this topic, why this is happening, the reason, these are the reasons, so why it is positive or negative. Just think like that I am writing a story about this topic, okay. So first 4 paragraph it is compulsory, you should make it. First for introduction, then body paragraph 1, then body paragraph 2, and then conclusion. But here in this case we will be writing first introduction, then first body paragraph we will be writing about reasons why it is happening. So reasons, 2 reasons we will explain, and then next paragraph will be about, I will be writing negative also, I will be writing positive also. While writing positive points means advantages, I will just focus on my point that it has more advantages than negative activities, okay. So and then conclusion, so it means 5 paragraphs I am going to make it, okay. So introduction. So introduction, as you can understand, as I told you in writing task 1 also, we have to paraphrase the question statement. So in question is here, just a minute. So yes, question here is, nowadays people move to another place while living in their own place for several years. So how easily you can write this introduction. So simple way I have written, it is not 9 band score introduction, so I can show you 9 band score answer also. So separately I have written 2-3 introductions. So nowadays I have converted into in recent years. People move to another place while living in their country. A growing number of individuals and families have started relocating after living in one place for many years. So boredom is also there for many people, okay. So a growing number of individuals and families have started relocating after living in one place for many years. So this is the repetition of sentence, the main thing they have explained it here, okay. Now this will come, we will talk about this. So this trend, so of course this is a trend, so everyone wants to go for study abroad here, to Canada, to Australia, to US, to UK, to Germany, at many places. They don't want to study, students don't want to study at their own country. I don't know why they are feeling it like that their country is not good. This trend is driven by a combination of economic, social and personal factors. So whenever you are planning your essay, just think on the guidelines of economics. So economically, what I told you, what I was describing in my mind, more remuneration, more pay or salary scales will be there when we will be when people will go outside, because of course their dollars are there, here different kind of currency is there. Socially also, when these kinds of people, they come back to their country for their countries for vacation and all, they have more respect in the society because they have more money. So nowadays the society is like that only. And personal factors, of course, personal growth, family growth will be there. So on these 3 guidelines I have thought about the plans. Now first we have given the reasons, because directly writer is asking you, examiner is asking you why this is happening. So we have given the points for these reasons. Now is it positive or negative? Let's give this answer also. Whether this movement is beneficial or harmful depends largely on the circumstances of each individual. Then semicolon. However, it generally offers more advantages than disadvantages. It means instead of copying the same word, yes, it is a positive development, we can use this language also. However, it generally offers more advantages than disadvantages. Same lines from from here to here you can copy it, only change. So from here to here you can same sentence structure, you can use it in your in your writing whenever this kind of essay is there. Why it is happening? Is this a positive or negative development? And here we have paraphrased every word almost. So this you should not copy it first sentence in recent year up to many years, because this we have done paraphrasing of the question statement. Now coming to body paragraph 1. Now look at these 3 introductions. Okay, so first, as we have already read, so this will fetch you 6.5 band scores. In fact, definitely if you ask me about introduction, I am telling you, so this is 7 plus band scores, and this is exactly, you can say, 8 plus band scores. Okay, so you can take photocopy of this, means screenshot of this, and you can compare how the things they have changed it, the student had changed it. In recent years I have written in contemporary society. Okay, now this is 8 plus, sorry, this is 8 plus, this is 7 plus in fact. So just a minute. So what will you think that what I am doing it here? Sorry. So this is 7 plus. Okay, so in this is better, I think. In contemporary society, relocation has become increasingly common even among individuals who have lived in the same place for many years. Okay, this shift is driven by a mixture of, so here we have used the word combination of economic, social and personal motivation. Although, so here I have used instead of whether, we have used all the sentence structure. So that doesn't matter, although or whether or while, you can use sentence structure, but use it in introduction and conclusion also. Although frequent movement may disrupt stability to some extent, means this is disadvantages, means negative point, comma. Now we are focusing more on after comma sentence. It is largely a positive development due to the opportunities and growth it enables. Okay, so indirectly we have given, we have explained it that it has negative development. Now in another one introduction, in recent decades, instead of nowadays, what we have, in recent decades, the trend of relocating after spending several years in one place has become increasingly common. This shift can be attributed to various economics. Again, everywhere we are using economic, social and personal motivations, you can use it. This shift can be attributed, means can be responsible for various reasons like economic and social factors. Whether this development is beneficial or harmful depends on its impact on individuals and society as a whole. This is also a good introduction. In my view, the advantages of this mobility greatly outweigh the disadvantages. Okay, so here this also you can adopt, this also. So this is a simpler one, but if you write in a simple language also, but focus on your task response, definitely you can get good band scores in IELTS writing. So this is for your introduction. In next video we will be discussing conclusion also. Different band scores conclusion I will be showing it to you.